Okay, so question number 3. Expand the following algebraic expression. Now we have to bracket, so we are going to times all the terms inside bracket of each one. A times a square plus 2a plus a plus 2. So those that have the same term, okay, we are going to add. Okay, now we have a square plus 2 times 1, 3. 3a plus 2. Okay, I prefer to use the arrow so that I am not going to make mistake. X times x, x square. X times positive 4, positive 4x. Negative 5 times x, negative 5x. Negative 5 times positive 4, negative, positive, negative. 5 times 4, 20. So this one is the same term. Plus 4 minus 5 minus 1x. Okay, next one. We're going to do the same thing. Okay, we're going to expand. 2 times 5, 10. 2 times negative m, negative 2m. Positive m times 5, positive 5m. Positive m multiplied by negative m square. So you are going to subtract or plus that have the same term. Negative 2m plus 5m, positive 3m minus m square. Okay, next one. The D. Okay, we're going to do. Okay, I prefer to use the arrow so that I can see. Okay, 3p times 4p, 3 times 4, 12p square. 3p times negative 1, negative 3p. Negative 2 times 4p, negative 8p. Negative 2 times negative 1. Negative times negative, positive. 2 times 1, 2. Okay, those that have the same term. This is the p and the p. So you're going to solve the p term. Negative 3 minus negative 8 is negative 11p plus 2. Okay, we are going to solve. 3r times 4r, 12r square. 3r times negative 1, negative 3r. Negative 2 times 4r, negative 8r. Negative 2 times negative 1, positive 2. So we have 12r square, negative 3 minus 8r. Negative 11r plus 2. Okay, F. Negative 2r times 4r, 2 times 4, 8r square. 2r times negative 3s, negative 6rs, plus 4rs, negative 3s square. Now those have the same term, we can plus or minus. Okay. Negative 6rs plus 4rs. Negative 6 plus 4. Negative 2rs minus 3s square. Okay. 2d times 3d. 6. 2d times 3d. Yeah. 2d square. 2d times 1 over 2b. Okay, this one is negative 2d times 1 over 2b. And then this one is negative 1 over 2b times 3d. And this one is negative, negative, positive 1 over 2b times 1 over 2b. Okay, now we have 6d square minus, okay, this one is fraction, numerator and denominator, you can cross out, so we have bd. This one is 1 over 2 times 3, 3 over 2 bd plus 1 over 4 b square. Those that have the same term, that is this one. Okay. So what you're going to write is equal sign 6d square. Okay. This one is fraction. This one is whole number 1. How we want to minus or plus with the fraction? So we have to change this one into fraction. The denominator must be the same, and then only you can minus or add. Okay, negative 2 minus negative 3 is negative 5 over 2bd plus 1 over 4b square. Or we can write 6d square minus 2, 1 over 2bd plus 1 over 4b square. Both are same. Okay, HR minus 3s, the bracket square. So we can write like this. So we have r square minus 3rs minus 3rs, negative times negative, positive, 3 times 3, 9s square. This one has the same term, so negative 3 minus 3, negative 6rs plus 9s square. Okay, last one, 4e minus 3, 4e minus 3, so we have 4e times 4e, 16e square minus 12e minus 12e plus 9. So we have 16e square minus 24e plus 9.